Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. How are you? Hi बच्चों, आप लोग कैसा है? I hope you fine. Today I wanted to discuss with you product of vectors super speed VIP question. If A is equals to 2i minus j plus k, B is equals to I minus 3j minus 5k, then find mod A cross B. ఎయిమ్స్ డేట్ టు సక్సెస్ మీ చెంత ఉండగా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే పై మీదకు దండగా. మోడ్ ఏ క్రాస్ బి మీన్స్ ఐ కెన్ గివ్ యూ వన్ షార్ట్ ట్రిక్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఏ క్రాస్ బి means det. A cross B means det. So first of all, A cross B is equals to, first row you can write ijk, second row you can write A coefficients, ijk coefficients, I coefficient 2, j coefficient minus 1, k coefficient 1, B vector ijk coefficients, I coefficient 1, j coefficient minus 3, k coefficient minus 5. For the first row you can keep plus minus plus. Determinant means above the first row you can keep plus minus plus. So A cross B means det. First row ijk, second row A vector ijk coefficients, I coefficient 2, j coefficient minus 1, k coefficient 1. Next B vector I coefficient is 1, j coefficient is minus 3, k coefficient is minus 5. So apply det. So here I into I presenting column and row removed, remaining values minus 1, 1, minus 3, minus 5. Next number with a symbol like that, minus j into j presenting column and row removed, remaining values 2, 1, 1, minus 5. Next number with a symbol like that, plus k into k presenting row and column deleted, remaining values 2, minus 1, 1, minus 3. Next I into minus 1 into minus 5 is 5, then keep minus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, so minus into minus plus, minus j into 2 into minus 5 is minus 10, minus 1 1s are 1, plus k into 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, then keep minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. A cross B is equals to 5 plus 3 is 8 into I, 8I, minus 10 minus 1 is minus 11, minus 11 into minus j is minus into minus, plus 11j, 1 minus 6 is minus 5 into k is minus 5k. It is A cross B. Next we can find mod A cross B. So mod A cross B is equals to mod 8i plus 11j minus 5k equals to root over 8 square plus 11 square plus minus 5 whole square. 8 square is 64 plus 11, 11s are 121, minus to the power even number, it becomes positive symbol, 5 5s are 25, equals to root over 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. So mod A cross B is equals to root 210. I hope you understand, my dear students. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Next question, one more question, similar model question. Product of vector super speed VIP question. Find the area of the parallelogram having 2i minus 3j and 3i minus k as adjacent sides. Aims dare to success మీ చింత ఉండగా mathematics ante bhayamenduku dandaga. Here, my dear students, I can write a formula. Here, area of parallelogram is equals to mod A cross B. So first we can find A cross B. A cross B means det. So first row you can keep I, J, K. Next A vector, that is first vector, I, J, K coefficients. I coefficient 2, J coefficient -3, there is no K value, keep 0. Next B vector, I coefficient 3, there is no J value, keep 0, K coefficient is -1. Applied it for the first row, you can write plus minus plus. I into I presenting column and row deleted, remaining value -3, 0, 0, -1. Next number with a symbol -j presenting row and column deleted, remaining value 2, 0, 3, -1. Number with a symbol like that plus k presenting row and column deleted, remaining value 2, -3, 3, 0. Next I into -3 into -1 is 3, -0 into 0 is 0, -j into 2 into -1 is -2, -3 into 0 is 0, plus k into 2 into 0 is 0, then keep minus. 3 into -3 is -9, minus into minus plus 9. I into 3 minus 0 is 3, minus j into -2 minus 0 is -2, plus k into 0 plus 9 is 9. So this is 3 into I, 3i minus into minus, plus 2 into j, 2j, plus 9 into k is 9k. Next you can apply mod A cross B is the area of the parallelogram. So mod A cross B is equals to mod 3i plus 2j plus 9k is equals to, mod means root over 3 square, next 2 square, next 9 square. Modulus means root 3 square plus 2 square plus 9 square is equals to root over 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 plus 9 square is 81. 9 plus 81 is 90. 90 plus 4 is 94. Therefore, area of the parallelogram is equals to mod A cross B is equals to root 94 square units is the required answer. I hope you understand. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Next question, one more question, similar model question, product of vector, super speed, VIP question. Find the area of the parallelogram having A is equals to I plus 2j minus k, B is equals to 2i minus j plus 2k as adjacent sides. Aims dare to success మీ చెంత ఉండగా mathematics అంటే భయం ఎందుకు దండగా. First of all, I can write a formula. Area of the parallelogram is equals to mod A cross B. Very simple formula. So before going to that, we can find A cross B, that is det. First row you can write I, J, K. A vector, I, J, K coefficients. I coefficient 1, J coefficient 2, K coefficient is -1. Next B vector, I coefficient is 2, J coefficient is -1, K coefficient is 2. So according to that concept, for the first row above you can keep a plus minus plus. Next I presenting row and column deleted, remaining value 2, -1, -1, 2 into I. Next number with the symbol like that, minus j into j presenting column and row deleted, remaining value 1 minus 1 2 2 plus k into k presenting column and row deleted remaining value 1 2 2 minus 1. Next I into AD minus BC 2 2s are 4 keep minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1 minus J into 2 1s are 2 then keep minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus K into 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 then keep minus 2 2s are 4 I into 4 minus 1 is 3 minus J into 2 plus 2 is 4 plus K into minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So is equal to 3 into I 3I minus 4 into J 4J plus into minus 5 into K is 5K. This is A cross B. Next we can find area of parallelogram is equals to mod A cross B while you are having adjacent sides. So mod A cross B is equals to mod 3I minus 4J minus 5K. So modulus is root over 3 square plus minus 4 whole square plus minus 5 whole square is equals to root of 3 square is 9 plus minus to the power even number it becomes positive symbol 4 4s are 16 plus minus to the power even number it becomes positive 5 square is 25 9 plus 16 is 25 25 plus 25 is root 50 area means square units is the required answer. I hope you understand my dear students. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Next question, similar model question. One more question. Product of vectors, super speed VIP question. Find the area of the parallelogram having A is equals to 2J minus K, B is equals to minus I plus K as adjacent sides. Aims date to success మీ చేత ఉండగా mathematics అంటే భయం ఎందుకు దండగా. My dear students, now I am writing formula. Area of parallelogram while we are having adjacent sides. Formula is mod A cross B. So first of all A cross B, that is det. First row you can write I, J, K. Next second row I, J, K coefficients from A vector. There is no I value 0. J coefficient is 2. K coefficient is minus 1. Next B vector coefficients of I, J, K. I coefficient is minus 1. There is no J value 0. K coefficient is 1. According to determinant concept above the first row you can keep plus minus plus. Next I into I presenting column and row deleted remaining values 2 minus 1 0 1. Next minus J into J presenting column and row deleted remaining value 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 plus K into K presenting column and row deleted remaining value 0 2 minus 1 0. Next I into AD minus BC concept 2 into 1 is 2. Next minus 1 into 0 is 0. Minus J into 0 into 1 is 0. Then keep minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1 plus K into 0 into something 0. Then keep minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus into minus plus. A cross B is equal to 2 into I is 2I. 0 into minus 1 is minus 1 minus 1 into minus J is plus J. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 into K is 2K. Next area of parallelogram is equals to mod A cross B is equals to mod 2I plus J plus 2K. Mod means root over 2 square plus J coefficient 1 square plus K coefficient 2 square. is equals to root over 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Root 9 is 3. Area means square units. Is a required answer. I hope you understand, my dear students. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Next question, one more question, similar model question. Product of vectors, super speed VIP question. The area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are 3i plus j minus 2k and I minus 3j plus 4k. Aims day to success మీ చెంత ఉండగా mathematics అంటే భయమెందుకు దండగా. So I am writing formula, my dear students. Area of parallelogram while we are having diagonals is equal to 1 by 2 into mod d1 cross d2. Why? Because we are having diagonals. So before going to that, we can take d1 cross d2 in the place of a cross b is equals to same cross product means you can use that I, j, k in the first row. Second row you can take I, j, k coefficients from first vector. I coefficient is 3, j coefficient is 1, k coefficient is minus 2. Next third row second vector coefficients. I coefficient is 1, j coefficient is minus 3, k coefficient is 4. That concept means above the first row you can keep plus minus plus. I into I presenting column and row deleted, remaining values 1 minus 2 minus 3 4. Next number with the symbol like that minus j presenting column and row deleted, remaining value 3 minus 2 1 4. Next number with the symbol like that plus k into k presenting column and row deleted, remaining value 3 1 1 minus 3. So AD minus BC concept we can use. I into 1 into 4 is 4, then keep minus into minus plus 2 3 are 6. Next minus j into 3 4 are 12, then keep minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 plus k into 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, then keep minus 1 1 are 1. 4 minus 6 is minus 2, minus j into 12 plus 2 is 14, plus k into minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. So normal multiply minus 2 into I is minus 2i minus 14 into j minus 14j plus into minus plus into minus minus 10 into k is 10k. It is d1 cross d2. We can find mod d1 cross d2 is equals to mod minus 2i minus 14j minus 10k. Modulus removing means root will come. So root over I coefficient minus 2 whole square plus j coefficient minus 14 whole square plus k coefficient minus 10 whole square. Root over minus to the power even number, it becomes positive symbol. So root over 2 2s are 4, 14 14 jar 196 plus 10 10 jar 100. 196 plus 4 is 200. 200 plus 100 is root 300. So this can be written as root over 100 into 3. Root 100 means 10 into root 3. So next formula, area of the parallelogram while we are having diagonals means 1 by 2 into mod d1 cross d2 is equals to 1 by 2 into mod d1 cross d2 value is 10 root 3. So 2 1s are 2 5s are cancelled, 5 root 3. Area means you can write square units is a required answer. I hope you understand, my dear students. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका మాలిక్ ఏక్ హై. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.